Assalamualaikum grade 1. Take out your The Science Sector book and open your page number 26. Today our topic is plants that help human. How plants help us. We study here. Plants help human in many ways. Yes, plants help us in many ways. Number 1. Plant make oxygen. Oxygen is a gas that we need to breathe. Okay, oxygen is a gas. Okay, plant give us oxygen, and oxygen is a gas that we need to breathe. We can survive with the help of oxygen. Without oxygen, we can't survive. Look at page number 27. Humans eat plant. It is almost impossible to imagine a meal without plants in it. We can't imagine a meal without plant because from plants we get vegetables and fruits, and from vegetables and fruits we get different calories like proteins and vitamins and other calories. So we can't imagine our meal without plants because plants keep us healthy and strong. Humans use plants for heating. They cut down trees and burn the wood. Okay, we get heat from the plant. Humans use plants to make furniture. The desk and chair in your classroom are made from wood. So our furniture are made from the wood. Food from plants. There are about 2000 different types of plants that humans use to make food. So there are 2000 different plants, and from 2000 different plants we get food. So plants help us in many ways. We get oxygen from plants, we get plants from plants, vegetables and fruits from plants, we get heat from plants, we get furniture from plants. And now open your page number 28. Some plants are used for making cloths. So we also get cloths from plants. That is another way plant keep us warm, and plant also keep us warm. From plants we get cloths. My coat is made from a cotton plant. Scientists say my coat is made from a cotton plant. So our cloths are also made from plants. Humans use plants for shelter. Trees are used to make some parts such as walls. Grasses are used for some parts such as roof. So we get shelter from plants. Some plants are used as medicines. They contain things that make people better, and some plants are used as medicines. And this is a picture of aloe vera. Aloe vera is also help us humans in many ways. Now look at next page. And did you know that the paper in this book came from a tree, and the paper we also get from a tree? That's right, wood pulp is made into paper. Scientists say, so I'm very glad there are plants on earth. Without plants we would not be able to breathe. Without plant we can't survive. We would have no food. We don't have any food. We would be cold. We don't get heat. We would have nowhere to live. We don't have any shelter. We might be sick because we also get medicines from plants. List 3 ways we use plants. Plants are used for breathing, for eating, for heating. Now your homework is to read page number 26 to 29. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.